In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add overlay in CapCut PC. If you need to stack multiple clips on the screen, show a floating graphic, or place an image directly on top of your main video. This is one of the simplest things you can do once you know where to look. The key idea is that an overlay is just a second piece of media placed on a higher track above your main clip, so CapCut can display it as a layer on top. To begin, look at the source panel in the top left area of the screen. Move your mouse up to the Options menu row and click the Main Media tab. Then check the sub-menu directly underneath and make sure Local is selected. This is important because the Local section shows the media files that are already available inside your current project. Once that is highlighted, you should be able to see your asset thumbnail cards clearly in the panel. Before adding the overlay, take a quick look at your timeline. You want to confirm that your main background video is already placed on the primary layer, which is track 1. This is your base footage, so think of it as the foundation of the edit. If your main clip is sitting there correctly, then you're ready to build the layered layout. Now for the actual overlay. Go back to the top left media tray and find the secondary video or image you want to place on top of your main footage. Click and hold on that thumbnail, then drag it down into the timeline. The important part here is where you drop it. Instead of placing it on the same track as your base video, move it vertically above track 1 and release it onto track 2. As soon as you do that, look over at the preview monitor in the center of the screen. You'll see that the second asset now appears as an upper layer over your main video. In other words, CapCut is stacking that media on top of the background clip, which is exactly how overlays work. This is the easiest way to create a layered composition for things like picture-in-picture footage, logos, graphics, or any visual element you want floating above the main scene. And that's it. By opening the Media tab, confirming the local panel, making sure your base footage is on track 1, and dragging your secondary asset onto track 2, you've successfully added an overlay in CapCut on PC. You're all set, and the layered layout is now in place.